The holidays are here, but the product season is continuing. In fact, we've got one of Google's biggest products right here, ready to unbox, the Google Pixel Slate. This was unveiled at Google's Pixel 3 event, and it is a laptop/tablet aiming to go against the iPad Pro, Microsoft Surface, and it's kind of a revision to the Pixelbook last year. So this is the Google Pixel Slate. I also have some accessories, the Google Pixelbook pen, which you'll probably want. Also the Pixel Slate keyboard also does not come included, and you'd want that, and an alternative to the keyboard, one by Brydge, who make a lot of great iPad keyboards and other accessories. They have a G-Type Google Pixel Slate accessory as well. So let's start with the Pixel Slate. This thing goes from price from $599 all the way to $1599, so it can get really expensive. This particular version I have has a Core i5 processor, 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gig solid state drive for $1,000. Let's open this up, and pretty clean Google product packaging if you have a Pixel or something like that. Let's try to take this out without, how do you remove that? There you go. That's the Slate right there, very clean, dense, kind of like a iPad Pro territory. Connector right there. Feels heavier than you'd expect. Here is a USB-C cable that is included. Here is a pretty large charge brick adapter. Let's open that up. That is a wall wart right there. That's gonna sit right in, at least not take up other outlets like the iPad Pro one, which is wider. Put that there. Also included, thankfully, a USB-C headphone adapter, which is not included with the iPad Pro. And that is it, unless you want to get to know your Pixel Slate. The OS in here is kind of similar to it's Google Chrome, so it's a Google Chrome environment, but it's aiming to be a little more tablet-y, a little more keyboard friendly while being a tablet, so a cleaner look to it. We'll do a full review of that soon. Let's put that aside, and let's turn this on. Let's move that over there. Here's one USB-C port, and there's another USB-C port. And that's it. Also keep in mind that that power button doubles as a fingerprint sensor. Turn that on. There we go. And you can just go into your basic Google setup from there. More to come with this, but let's take a look at some of the accessories. Let's package this up here, put this box on, and let's start with the pen. Now, if you had a Pixelbook pen from last year, well then you're in luck. If not, you'll have to buy one of these if you want to use the tablet stylus functions. This is $100, so not cheap, but falls in line with what Microsoft and Apple are charging. Inside here is the stylus. Pretty clear cut, a little button on the side there as well. And if you want to keep it charged, AAA battery. So it doesn't charge through the side, or it doesn't have any rechargeability. Whether you like this or not, up to you. But you put that inside the Pixelbook or to the stylus, and you'll be good to go. So let's take that out here, put it over the side. Let's check out the keyboard. Now the Google Pixel Slate keyboard feels like an accessory that should have come in the box. Much like the iPad Pro, you're probably going to want to use it to do a lot of things. Now the nice thing about the Pixel Slate keyboard is it has a trackpad. It also is powered from the side connector, so you can use it easily, fold it up kind of like origami, and have it protect your Pixelbook, your Pixel Slate. $200 though is pricey, so let's open it up. tells you about your different modes, your folding, your connecting, your sliding it to different angles. If you have a Microsoft Surface Pro keyboard, kind of a similar proposition to the way this feels. Let me take this out without damaging that. Look at that, slides right off it. And inside here is there anything? Just a little instructional booklet. Okay, that's just packaging. So here we go. Pretty clean cut folio there, and nice trackpad. And when you connect it here, snaps right on. Works just like that. Pretty cool. And I mean, I use this at the event, so I've typed on it. Not yet, since I've had it, but the keys feel really nice. The trackpad feels really nice. But you have to have a lot of table space. You can also adjust the angle on this to any variety of angles, which is a nice touch. And it's pretty sturdy. Whoop. Maybe you don't want to do that too many times. So that's the keyboard that Google makes. But there is another option. There may be other options beyond that. Brydge has its own. So let's put this aside. Let's put this together here. Kind of minimize that. And look at the G-Type. Now the other one was a table type tablet experience. G-Type by Brydge is meant to go on your lap. So it's really a laptop type, should have much better lap support. It doesn't look like it connects via the side connector on the Pixel Slate, which is kind of funny. This is battery powered. So let's see if I can get this out of here. There we go. Comes with a cleaning cloth. Comes with 2 cleaning cloths. There you go, all the cleaning cloths you need for the year. Instructions on inserting and removing, powering. This has backlighting as well as the trackpad. And does it come with a charge cable? Is there a charge cable? USB-C, so you just use the one that came with the Pixel Slate. There you go. Pretty straightforward. And this has little attaching brackets. I don't want to damage it. Okay. Put it in right side up. And just kind of slide it into the rubber feet there. And you have your little Pixel Slate laptop. So it looks like it holds to any position, and it should bend. Nope, maybe not. Maybe don't bend all the way back around. I think you have to then remove it and flip it to the other side, and then you can use it in that mode. But it's meant to be sturdy enough that you could use it in your lap. I don't know how it is as far as being top heavy versus bottom heavy, but more to come on that. It looks like it's holding its own. But again, $160 for that. So you're dealing with $200 accessory or a $160 accessory, a $1,000 tablet, a $99 stylus. This is a lot of money to spend in the Google product universe. More to come when we do a full review of this. But that's the Google Pixel Slate and its accessories. I'm Scott Stein. Talk to you soon.